My name is Alex Jackson, and I'm a photographer, explorer, and creator. On this YouTube channel, you'll find my comings and goings, adventures, and experiences as I explore all that North America has to offer. It's Christmas Eve, and today is a shop day, but it is also winter wonderland outside. It is so quiet here on the island. Oh, hey Thomas. Alright, looks like it's shop time. Well, I walked down to the shop, get started doing things. So, we have a momentary lull in construction. We're just building some tables, and now we're kind of at a standstill because there's other things to do. So I'm just gonna quickly go and replace the gas struts in the doors in my house so that the doors stay open so I have light to work in, because I have so much to do and I need light. Yeah, totally. Alright, so this should be relatively straightforward. I already took the old gas struts off. I just need to pop these on. This is a real thing where you have to use your head, you know? Lots of thinking involved. Here, bingo. Come on. Okay, now. Sweet. One. Two. So now the doors stay open. Success! That is one door, all finished up. And door number 2, all done. That's a nice big side window. I have to fix this problem right here. You can see that it's arched up, so it makes the door hard to close, but that should be a relatively easy thing to fix. Well, time to move the truck. Most excellent, dude.
I think we should begin with the toast.
Christmas on Quadra.
Christmas on Quadra. Quadra Christmases. Deck, do you open that Bailey's already? Come on, man.
No, I can't. It's like...
Let's go.
I can't open it. It's like... Oh, there we go.
I'll have that much. Yeah. Cheers to Christmas on Quadra.
Cheers to Christmas on Quadra.
Cheers.
And many more to follow.
Well, we've had a fairly productive day. Uncle Raj has been killing it. And Dad has been killing it. And we have a ceiling that's fully insulated. And plywood over there. And plywood over there. So the shop is certainly getting warmer. Right now. Oh, today, it's Christmas Day, It's snowing. It's beautiful. I'm out with all the old people walking. Easy, she says.
Come around, lay down your telephone.
You're truly blessed to be out in a place so beautiful.
Vibrations don't match. Limitations are a fact. Blow me down from this pedestal. The younger me has been ready, shedding flakes of gold. These layers of stuff on me. I've gone from rough to soft. How could this be? Sun can't shine if the knife's not sharp. A peace of mind I've taught my dolls to bark. Oh, guilty or not, you're spreading, let me steer you. Now let me steer you while you shoot. What's the essence in every lesson? When uphill is a blessing. What's the essence of no pretense, just present?
You know, there are certain reservations that I have about attempting to be a YouTuber again. One of them is always having a camera in hand. You know, I've actually been doing this for a fairly long time. It's just I haven't really, I guess, put my heart and soul into it. But you know, one of the things that I found when I was on my last Alaska trip is that I attempted to film absolutely everything. It was exhausting, especially being a one-man show and driving, you know, 6 hours a day, and I just did it with a GoPro and my DSLR. Yeah, but I want to share this stuff with you. I mean, look how beautiful it is. There's so much out here, and I just want to explore it all.
Come around, lay down your telephone. Oh, we don't know, we think we're